Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your glutathione levels. Let's start with your diet. Eating sulfur-rich foods is a fantastic first step. Think about incorporating garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale into your meals. These foods provide essential building blocks for glutathione production. Also, ensure you're getting enough protein from sources like lean meats or legumes to support this vital antioxidant. Next, let's talk about other key nutrients. Vitamin C is crucial. Aim for at least 500 milligrams daily from sources like oranges or strawberries. Selenium also plays a vital role, so include foods like Brazil nuts in your diet. For a more direct approach, N-acetylcysteine or NAC is a popular supplement that provides cysteine, a direct precursor to glutathione, helping your body produce more. Beyond diet, specific compounds and lifestyle choices can make a big difference. Alpha-lipoic acid, found in foods like spinach and red meat, helps regenerate glutathione. Milk thistle extract is also beneficial, supporting liver health, which is key for glutathione function. Don't forget the power of lifestyle. Regular exercise, about 30 minutes most days, significantly boosts your body's natural antioxidant defenses. Finally, optimizing your sleep and overall well-being is paramount. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as rest is when your body repairs and regenerates. Stress management techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, can also help preserve glutathione levels. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking around 8 glasses of water daily to support all bodily functions, including antioxidant production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.